Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be about Celestia or TIA token. So this is not a review, it is just an update on its price action and what is going on with the tokenomics of the TIA coin or TIA coin, because it has been going down. As you can see here, it did not even come close to its all-time high, which was around 19.73, and it actually went down after hitting around 8.85. So what is going on with this coin? So let's get started. First of all, if we open the market cap of this coin, so this is the max market cap. So as you can see here, TIA coin did actually hit a new all-time high when it comes to the market cap. So its previous all-time high was around 3.2 billion, and as of now it actually ended up hitting 3.9 billion dollar, which is a massive market cap. Again, it does have a lot of demand coming from its utility, which is basically for the blob fees, I believe. So that's pretty good, and I think there are many users are using TIA coin, so that's where the demand is coming, but the price did not actually respond to that. So if you look here, and so according to the market cap, the price should have been near its all-time high, and it should have been at least around 35 or even $30. But what happened here is that there was a massive increase in supply. So as of now, TIA has an yearly inflation of 7.2%. So that is a massive inflation, and as of now, in just 1 year, they have actually hit a supply of 1.09 billion. So initial supply was 1 billion, and we have around 0.09 billion more supply in the market from the inflation. But we do have a lot more inflation than that, because if you go to the token allocation and if you look here, by as you can see here, October 17th, that is when we saw a massive increase in supply. So basically there were token unlocks, so starting from seed investors getting around 52.47 million TIA, and initial core contributors also getting around 58 million TIA coin. Again, we have Series A and Series B investors getting around 65 million, and we have other Genesis drops and other things that you can see here. So as of now, seed investors have received around 68.7 million, and we have 85.2 going towards Series A, and we have 67.15 going towards initial core contributors. So if we look at the price action from the October 17th, or if you look at, okay, so the release date I believe was on October 24th, as you can see here. So if you look at the price action from the October 24th, so it should be okay, so it's here. So this is when we saw a massive release of the token, as you can see here. So the price went down significantly, as you can see here. So it did actually went as low as $4.2, oh sorry, $4.2. So that is when we saw a massive release of supply, and again there was a pretty good demand in the market, so the coin actually went up again, as you can see here, and it actually ended up hitting 5.8, and after that we had more demand. But as the supply had increased, I think the investors most probably did not sell up all of their tokens, and they are getting as of now monthly tokens. If you look here, and as you can see here, this is a monthly unlock, so this is going to happen every month. So that means we have a lot of sell pressure every month. So when we saw Bitcoin going down, I believe it was somewhere around here, the TIA's price took a massive hit, as you can see here, because there was a lot of supply sitting to be sold, and there was a pretty good liquidity somewhere around here. So I think they sold a lot of tokens, and as of now TIA is going down. So let's just try to see what is happening with the network. So if you look here, we have total fees paid for the network are around 1.4 million USD, and the TIA coin is used around 278.8k. so that is a pretty good TIA, but from the looks of it, the demand is still the TIA still has a demand from the looks of it, from at least from the fees. And if you look at the 31 days stats, as you can see here, the fees have gone down as of now, but we have transactions going up. But as of now, most of them are going down, so that is something. But anyways, I think the network is being used, but the block count has gone down significantly and the block size has also decreased, as you can see here. Even the bytes in the blocks have also gone down, so that means the network activity is slowly going down as well, something that you should keep that in mind. So the problem with this coin as of now, I think, is the increase in supply, and I think this coin is going to tank even more price. But there is, I think, a pretty good buy for this coin. The reason being that it does have a pretty high demand when it comes to the market cap. So the market cap keeps going down, as you can see here. It keeps going down, it keeps going up and up, and this means there is a lot more demand for the coin. So I think there could be a pretty good entry if you're looking to buy TIA. And if you're holding TIA already, I think you should stake it, because it does pay out a pretty good amount of APY. So it is better to stake rather than getting inflated. So you should stake it if you're already holding it. But if you're planning to buy this coin, I think you have to DCA, dollar cost average in, and then sell it as it goes up. So the first entry that I'm looking at for the TIA is most probably at the market price. That seems to be a pretty buy point, as you can see here, around, I think we have a pretty good entry point around 4.5 to 4.2. That seems to be a pretty good entry, but we have already seen a pretty good response from the market at this price, so that means this is a pretty good buy point somewhere around here. So if it you can actually get it on the marketplace, because it has gone down significantly, so it could actually go up from here. But still, I think this around 4.5 to 4.2 dollar is a pretty good entry point for this coin. And beside that, we also have a pretty good entry point around, I think somewhere around here should be a pretty good buy, because this one this is a support that it actually did go up from here. So around 3.9 to 3.6 seems to be pretty good entry. But if we go back here, we do have another entry that you should not ignore if you're looking to get into the TIA, because just a second, I will try to open the chart in the low time frame. So if we go here and if we do scroll down, so I believe we should have a pretty good entry. Okay, so we do have a pretty good, okay, so this I think is a pretty good buy zone around 2.8 and 2.1 also seems to be another good buy point for this coin. And I think as of now, looking at its supply, this coin has the potential to go as high as, at least if I just go here, so I think this coin does have a potential to hit at least this price zone, which seems to be a pretty good sell zone if you're looking to sell it. Around, I think around 7.4 and 6.7 is a pretty good sell zone. And even if it does ends up going above this level, we do have a pretty good resistance around here again as well, around 9.3 to 8.6. but in the long run, I think it is going to be a very hard task for the TIA coin to actually hit a new all-time high because of the supply increase, unless we see a massive demand for the TIA coin, or else I don't think that it is going to hit again its all-time high. So anyways, this was it. I hope you liked the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.